Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the converter is rated for your source voltage and load. This prevents immediate failure. Once done, disconnect all power and mount the unit where airflow is clear, because heat kills components. Next, strip and label wires, choose correct wire gauge and fuse size for the expected current, and connect the input terminals tight but not over-torqued. Make sure polarity is correct on DC models and that AC ground is securely attached. These first steps set a safe foundation. You now configure the converter output and verify behavior under controlled conditions. First, adjust the trim pot or DIP settings while monitoring with a multimeter until the target voltage is stable. This prevents overvoltage damage. Once stable, apply a small load and watch voltage and temperature. Increase load slowly to expected operational current so you observe regulation and thermal response. Make sure protections like current limit and soft start are active. They explain why converters survive startup in rush. You finish by securing all connections, installing final fuses, and labeling circuits so future service is straightforward. Once powered under normal load, monitor for heat buildup, voltage drift, unusual noise, or frequent trips. These symptoms point to specific issues. If a fault happens, shut down, verify wiring and polarity, replace a blown fuse with the correct rating, and confirm source voltage stability. If problems persist, check the datasheet for thermal and current limits, and consider a larger converter or additional cooling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.